Step into a world where the journey towards overcoming poor habits becomes a compelling narrative of personal transformation. In this immersive video, we delve deep into the struggles and triumphs of individuals who dared to confront their own limitations. Through vivid storytelling and intimate interviews, we bring their experiences to life, revealing the profound impact that poor habits can have on our happiness and success. Follow the gripping tale of Sarah, a chronic procrastinator, as she navigates the treacherous landscape of missed opportunities and unfulfilled dreams. Witness her journey of self-discovery and the pivotal moment when she decides to break free from the cycle of delay and embrace a life of purpose and productivity. Meet John, whose negative self-talk and limiting beliefs have held him back for years. Experience the roller coaster of emotions as he confronts his inner demons and embarks on a transformative path of self-empowerment. Watch as he discovers the power of positive affirmations, self-love, and a growth mindset, propelling him towards personal and professional success. But it's not just individual stories that make this video extraordinary. Along the way, you'll encounter expert insights and practical strategies from renowned psychologists, life coaches, and behavior specialists. Learn proven techniques to rewire your brain, establish empowering routines, and cultivate resilience in the face of challenges. Through cinematic visuals and emotionally charged moments, we transport you into a world of self-reflection and growth. You'll witness the raw vulnerability of individuals sharing their deepest struggles and celebrate their moments of triumph. The narrative unfolds with a message of hope and possibility, reminding us that we have the power to rewrite our stories and create lives of abundance. Join us on this captivating journey as we explore the intricate layers of poor habits and unveil the path to liberation. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and equipped with the tools you need to shed the shackles of poor habits and step into a future brimming with personal growth, fulfillment, and unlimited potential. The adventure awaits you. 1. Identify the habit. Start by recognizing and acknowledging the specific habit you want to eliminate. Be clear about what it is and how it affects your life. 2. Set a clear intention. Make a firm decision to let go of the habit and commit to creating a positive change in your life. Write down your intention and remind yourself of it daily. 3. Replace with a new habit. Find a healthier alternative or substitute habit to replace the old one. Choose a behavior that aligns with your goals and brings positive benefits to your life. 4. Create a supportive environment. Remove triggers or cues that lead to the poor habit. Surround yourself with people and circumstances that encourage and support your new positive behavior. 5. Stay consistent and persistent. Changing habits takes time and effort. Stay committed to your decision and practice the new habit consistently. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks. Keep going. Remember, small steps and consistent effort can lead to significant changes over time. By implementing these simple tactics, you can gradually break free from poor habits and create a more positive and fulfilling life. In the closing moments of this powerful video, we invite you to reflect on the incredible journey you've embarked upon. You've witnessed stories of transformation, discovered practical strategies to overcome poor habits, and learned that you possess the strength within to redefine your life. Now, armed with knowledge, awareness, and a newfound sense of purpose, it's time to take action. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead, knowing that every step you take towards breaking free from poor habits brings you closer to the life you truly desire. Remember, this is not the end, but rather the beginning of an extraordinary chapter in your personal growth. Embrace the lessons learned, celebrate the progress made, and remain steadfast on your path of positive change. Carry with you the belief that you have the power to shape your own destiny. You have the ability to let go of the habits that have held you back and embrace a life of abundance, fulfillment, and happiness. The journey may not always be easy, but with determination, resilience, and the support of a community that believes in your potential, you will triumph over your old ways and create a future filled with unlimited possibilities. Now, go forth with confidence and let your actions speak louder than your former habits. Embrace the transformation that awaits you, for your journey towards a life of purpose, joy, and true abundance starts now. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure. Remember, you have the power to break free and create the life you've always dreamed of. Seize this moment and let your story of liberation inspire others to do the same. The choice is yours. The time is now. Together, let's make a lasting change and create a world where we all thrive.